Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we are exploring opencv basics. Now it's time to demonstrate some projects that I have created using opencv. In this video I will be demonstrating you my first project, which is automation of hill climb racing game using mediapipe and opencv. In this project I have simply automated the famous hill climb racing game using my hand gestures. So without wasting any time, let's move to the destination folder and explore this project that I have created using opencv.
This is our PyCharm screen. I have used simple logic to play this game. If I made my 5 fingers up, it will long press the gas or we can say accelerated button. If I lower my all 5 fingers, it will simply press the brake button of the game. And if I only make my pointing finger up, it will simply release the gas key or accelerator. And for the same script I have written this code. I have created a finger function in this program. This function will return 1 if any of my finger is up, and if my any of the finger is down, it will return 0. So according to that 1 and 0, I have made the condition that if all fingers are up, I will just key down the right arrow key, so which will accelerate my vehicle. This was my basic logic to play the hill climb racing game. So now I will run this program and open the hill climb racing game for live demonstration of my project.
So as you can see, I am moving my mouse cursor using this pointing finger, and after starting the game, if I do this, it will press accelerated button, and if I do this, it will press the brake button of the game. So I will open the game in front of you to show you the live demo of my project. So this is the game, and I will just click on the start button to play this game. So I'm just clicking on the start button by using this gesture, and as you can see, as I did it is pressing the gas button. If I do this, it is releasing it, and if I do this, it will press the brake button. So I am enjoying this game using my hand gesture, as you can see. So I am playing this game. So as you can see, I am dead. So now let's replay the game once again. So I will just click here using mouse key. So as you can see, I have restarted it. So I have restarted the game on my mouse click only. So I'm playing the game, as you can see. And I'm once again dead. So in this way I can enjoy this game.
So this was my project to play hill climbing racing game using hand gestures. If you like this project, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing projects. If you want this source code, you can just simply message me on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video.